What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we picked up something new for the Subi. It's one of these new mods that I've been waiting to get for a while. We picked it up for a really good deal and we're finally going to be replacing something that I've been holding back for so long to replace, mainly because they were so pricey to get nowadays. And now that we have it, let's show you what it is. So these taillights are the Subi Speed Sequential TR carbon fiber taillights. It's so crazy to see that they have carbon fiber inside them, which would definitely fit the car perfectly because I have a lot of carbon fiber inside. We're gonna get some more carbon stuff. So take a look at these babies. They're in pretty good condition. Obviously I got them used from some guy on Marketplace, but it was a really good deal, couldn't pass up on it. So let's get ready for the install. So these are what my stock taillights look like at the moment. It's just simple little overlay over them. Nothing too bad with them. But it's time to get rid of these little bad boys and get something new. So we're just gonna pop this trunk open. I've never done this install on these, but I've looked at a few videos and we have like a few clips that we gotta take out. So we're gonna have to take this part out. We're also gonna have to take out this liner to be able to get back there. And also the one on this side. You guys probably can't see because the lighting in here is not that great, but we'll figure something out. We might get some better lighting in here. So let's get started with this install. So as far as I can see, well, obviously there's a clip right there, another clip up here that you're supposed to take out, but they didn't have them, so it makes our life a lot easier. And let's see if we can take this out. We might have to take some more things out from the trunk, so bear with me. So as you can see, we had to take out some things from the trunk. We had to take out a trunk liner and just a few things that we have in there. So now we can probably get rid of this stuff in here. So if you want to bear with me, let's see if we can take this out. I don't think there's any more clips in here. Actually, I lied. We're probably going to have to pull this whole thing out. So we tried to do this install without having to take all this stuff out, but unfortunately you do have to remove all these liners and stuff from your trunk. It should make this whole process a lot easier to remove. So now we're definitely gonna get this stuff out. So let's see what we can get out. All right, so here we go. Let's take this part out. We've got left here. Should give us enough room to maneuver this, and now we can definitely get to the back of these taillights. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna pop this. We're gonna pop this out. Let's see if we can pop it out. It's on there pretty good, so let me put this down. There we go. So now we have that one popped out. So now we got that one out. We just have to take these bolts off and then we should be able to slide the tail light. We got those bolts out. Obviously you want to put them in a good spot. You don't want to lose them. We got this one out. So this is the tail light. If you guys want to see the old tail light, this is the one that we're going to be getting rid of. Well, not really. We're just going to store it away once we put on the new one. So for now, we're just going to set this in here. It's obviously dusty, and we're also going to clean all that nasty debris. We do have some rags, so all right, so we're just gonna spray down a little bit with some IPA. Get rid of all this debris. I don't know how long it's been on there, but we do have a bunch of rags in here for. Gotta get this nice and clean. Obviously, we don't want any of that nasty stuff back here after we put on some new tail lights. I might as well take advantage of cleaning this back here since it's already open. There's a little bit of dirt, as you can see. Obviously, you guys don't want to see me clean all this, so I'll show you once I put the taillights back on. So now that we have it nice and clean, we're gonna throw these new taillights on here. And I believe it is this one right here. Nope, wrong one. It's this one. So we're just gonna put this down because I need 2 hands for this. All right, guys, let's install this tail light. Here it is. See if we can get it in here. So you guys can see, this is the new tail light, which gives the car a really different look than how it used to be. We got all the bolts in there. Well, not all the bolts, but everything's lined up so far. So you got that side in, and then we have this one in here. Now we're gonna put these bolts back on, get everything all situated. Old tail lights, new tail lights, got everything all situated. We will turn the tail lights on, give you guys a look and see how it looks. So the tail lights were hyper flashing, so we did a little bit of research and we found out that it was the flasher relay, which is this one right here. This was a stock one that I believe came in the car, and we just went to our local AutoZone. Well, we did some extensive research, went to our local AutoZone, and we got one of these. So this one totally helped out with the hyper flashing, and if you didn't know, it's just right under the steering wheel. Obviously, you can't see it because I already did it, and I didn't think you guys wanted to see me do this. So that was the only thing that we needed to do, was just that little hyper flash to get everything all situated. It was just this little module, whatever you want to call it, just goes under the steering wheel. It was hard to replace. because it's such a tough place to get your hand through just to get it out. We did have fight with it, but now that we got everything all situated, I'll show you guys how the tail lights look. This is the sequential mode on them, which I totally like them. A lot better than the old tail lights. So these are how the new tail lights look. Take a look at these. Different look to what the old ones were, so we totally like this look a lot better than the old tail lights.